How to gift Snapchat Plus. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send Snapchat Plus as a gift to someone. If this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more handy tech tips. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you have entered your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option labeled as Snapchat Plus. And after that, simply select the option labeled as Snapchat Plus Gifts. Now select the person whom you want to send the Snapchat Plus as a gift. And once you have selected it, choose the subscription length you want to gift and then tap on Gift Snapchat Plus to send it. And after that, you have to complete the transaction as prompted. And once you do that, your Snapchat Plus will be sent to the person as a gift. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.